Hi everyone, let's talk about how to fix AirTag not showing on Find My. So to fix an AirTag not showing up in the Find My app, you can start by enabling the location services. Just go to your device settings and then search for location services. Now scroll down to find Find My and make sure that the location access is set to while using the app and the precise location is turned on. Now the next what you can do is turn on the Bluetooth. Just swipe down the control center on your iPhone and make sure that the Bluetooth icon is highlighted. Now the next what you can do is update your iPhone. AirTags require the latest version of iOS. Just go to your device settings, then scroll down to General and find Software Update to check for the pending updates. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. See you in my next